Alright, today we're doing a report on the cheeses. We got blue cheese. It's vegan somehow. Modified potato starch. Let's see, we got I think this is cottage cheese. Alright, just ignore that. We got cottage cheese. We got sour cream. I don't think that counts as cheese. We got taco cheese. Let's see. There's also this cheese. That's Swiss cheese. This looks cheesy. Alfredo sauce. Let's see. We also got cheese container. What's this? Is this? That's pepperoni. We got some American cheese in a random Tupperware container. We got the baby bells. These ones I bought. Then we got some mozzarella. It's a little hard and moldy, but probably still good, I guess. Any more cheese in the drawer? What's this? This is more Alfredo sauce. Some more right there. We're not gonna count the butter. The butter does not count as cheese. There's the vodka sauce. Does this have cheese in it? I don't think it does. It is Parmesan in it. I don't know, we're gonna say that one doesn't count. So, yeah. I'm sure there's nutritional yeast somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But alright, yeah. Count the cheeses and let me know below.